Have you ever thought about growing your own bananas at home? Imagine stepping into your backyard or even onto your balcony to pick fresh bananas. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, growing bananas is a fun and rewarding experience that you can achieve with a few simple steps. Today, I'll walk you through how to plant, care for, and harvest your very own banana plants. First, let's talk about choosing the right banana variety. Some banana types are better suited for home gardening, especially dwarf varieties like dwarf Cavendish, which are ideal for smaller spaces. These plants grow about 4 to 7 feet tall and are easy to manage indoors or in a garden. Pick a variety based on your space and climate. Bananas generally prefer tropical or subtropical conditions, but many can also grow in large pots indoors. Once you have your plant, it's time to get the soil ready. Bananas love well-drained, nutrient-rich soil. A mix of potting soil with organic compost works great. Make sure you choose a spot with plenty of sunlight. Banana plants need at least 6 to 8 hours of sun daily. If you're planting in a pot, go for one that's at least 15 to 18 inches wide and deep to give the roots room to grow. Now, to plant your banana, dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball of the plant. Gently place the banana plant in the hole, covering the roots with soil, and pat it down lightly. Water the plant thoroughly right after planting, as bananas are heavy drinkers. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. If you're planting indoors, make sure the pot has drainage holes to prevent excess water from accumulating. Banana plants grow best when they receive regular care. Fertilize every 1 to 2 months with a balanced fertilizer to keep them healthy and growing strong. Make sure to keep an eye on the leaves. Yellow leaves may mean the plant needs more nutrients or water. Remove any dead leaves to keep the plant looking fresh and to encourage new growth. If you live in a cooler climate, consider bringing the plant indoors during winter to protect it from frost. After about 9 to 12 months of growth, your banana plant will produce a large hanging cluster of bananas. Harvesting is easy. Simply cut the stem holding the bananas when the fruits start to turn yellow. Let them ripen indoors for a few days, and they'll be ready to enjoy. Growing bananas at home may take some patience, but the reward is well worth it. Fresh, delicious bananas that you grew yourself. And that's it. With a little time and care, you can enjoy the satisfaction of growing bananas right at home. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.